Hey guys, Smuggler's Build here, and today I'm going to build Mephisto from comics published by Marvel. So this is going to be a fairly easy build. So first we're going to go to minifigs, lower parts, the mini parts folder in the minifigs area, as you can clearly see. And we're going to zoom in, just a little bit, kind of close in. So we're going to pick this kind of rust color, and then go with the bright red. Then we go to upper parts, Stranger Things folder. And then we're going to pick the Demogorgon as our torso. I actually like the way it looks as a body for Mephisto. It's kind of cool. It kind of has that aged look, kind of like a devilish look to it. So we're going to textiles. Then we're going to pick this kind of ripped cape here and make it bright red. Now we're going to go to heads, which was one of the hardest things to do for this build. I couldn't pick a head for him. So we're going to go to DC. We're going to use the Man-Bat head, the head from Man-Bat. You guys probably think that's not a good choice. Well, if you find a head for Mephisto, please tell me. But it's the closest thing I could get to a semi-devilish look. A devilish look. Now we're going to go to hairs, and we're going to look for the Wolverine hair. Now, I can't remember if it's in here or not. If it's not, we can just go with the hair very similar to it, which was back at the top. So we're going to, keep going until we see it. I remember it being somewhere at the bottom, but, it has been a long time since I had built Mephisto. It's not down here, so I must have missed it, or unless they didn't add it, because I do remember them adding it, but that might have been a long time ago. So I'm just going to use... No, I forgot to click it at the top. So let's go with this. Here it is. This is the hair I was looking for. That was the second choice of hair. The Joker hair from Lego Batman movie. So this is how you build Mephisto. I know it's kind of strange looking and weird, but it's I tried. You can't really hold that against me. But if you like this build, don't forget to like and subscribe. And next week, I believe, I am doing the Dracula, Wolfman, and Frankenstein's monster. Or I could substitute one of them, probably Frankenstein's monster, for Cosmic Ghost Rider, because I was going through and they didn't have Frankenstein. Didn't really seem like they had Frankenstein's monster. So yeah, and happy October and happy Halloween. And I will see you guys later.